I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands felt strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand next to you without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew, and the things you say they were never true, and the games you played, you would always win. But I'll set fire to the rain, watch it burn as I touch your face. Let it burn and I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. So you just gonna hit me?